Are you ready? So I'm very excited about this closet. I only had one suitcase that I brought, so I can't wait to shop. I'll have to buy more suitcases to go home, but I am not sad about that. So I'm here, I'm in New York, and I'm gonna give you a tour of the apartment that I'm living in for the next month. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I'm Cass from Clutterbug. I'm actually from Canada, Ontario, Canada, but I'm here in New York City, like downtown New York City, to film a TV show. My family is going to be coming with me in about a month. They're going to be here at the end of February. In the meantime, I'm here in this downtown New York apartment while I start filming. Then we're going to move into a bigger spot for all 5 of us. I'll give you a tour of that place too. But for now, let's check out my new digs. As soon as you come in, this is where I put my coat, my masks, my many masks. I've been wearing a mask and a face shield because safety. And so right off the bat, we have the bathroom, and I love some things about this bathroom so hard, especially under here, this drawer. If I ever remodel my bathrooms, I'm putting in one of these drawers because as a ladybug, I can just, this is like I drop in the makeup, I don't even have to bend over. This is everything. I'm so geeked about this. Also, this mirror, it's like basically a giant ring light, you guys. It's good and bad. Every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, whoa, who's that chick who looks so young? And then I do my makeup and then I leave and I'm like, whoa, natural light makes me look terrible. But this is flattering as heck. And also, storage for days, hidden storage. Love, love, love this so much. All right, we're moving on. It's a bathroom. It excites me though. This kitchen is amazing. Here's some things I love about this kitchen. The fridge and the freezer look like regular cabinetry. So like, I know this is in fancy houses, but I've never got to experience this, and it is so cool. And the dishwasher, again, just looks like invisible cabinetry. So it's so clean and amazing. And this is a stove and microwave in one. So I've never seen that before. Little things impress me, you guys. This, I need this someday. This, I'm loving, loving, loving. It also has built-in washer and dryer, which not having to go to a laundromat is very important to me because laziness, and it has oodles of closet space. Closets. There's nothing in it, but I'm still impressed by closets. And here I have the sofa and the little seating area here. Let's be honest, I'll probably never use that, but you never know. And of course the bed, but the best part is this closet. Are you ready? My closet at home is so tiny, and I have to share it with Joe. It's smaller than this, and I have to share it with Joe. So I'm very excited about this closet. I only had one suitcase that I brought, so I can't wait to shop and fill this closet. I'll have to buy more suitcases to go home, but I am not sad about that. Beside the bed, I have my little workspace here, which, oh, this view, you guys, look at these windows. I love that I can sit here and work on my blog or podcast or edit videos or whatever, do some Facebook Lives while looking at this. Where I'm from is just farmers' fields everywhere, in every direction. This is the coolest view. The Statue of Liberty is right behind that building. I can't actually see it, but I know she's there. I don't know, it's so bright, especially at nighttime. I leave these up. I wear clothing to bed, so don't worry. But it's so bright from all the lights from the city, it looks like daytime all the time, and I'm here for it. I just think that this is the coolest view. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of where I'm going to be living for the next 30 days until my family arrives. Then we're going to be moving into a bigger apartment for all of us. But until then, I'm going to enjoy this amazing view. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting lots of behind the scene little videos while I'm on set filming, so stay tuned for those and I'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I had another end story, but then I cried and it was bad and I ugly cried, and I don't want to share that with you. I wanted it to be a happy, uplifting thing. So it's been a few days since I did the tour. A lot has happened. I have officially been in New York for 1 week. I tested negative for COVID, so I was able to leave. I got my hair cut. I went to this like swanky, fancy New York salon where he cut my hair and then he didn't brush it. He showed me how to brush my hair with a chopstick. So bougie, you guys. Apparently, What's in Style is going for a look, and I quote, like a Disney princess who rolled out of bed and birds and woodland creatures do your hair for you. You know what I mean? I also went shopping and got some clothes that they picked that are supposed to look effortlessly cool. I don't know. I am not cool. And it's not working. And then my first day on set was yesterday, and I was so awkward because I have not spoken to other human beings who were not my immediate family or friends in like a year. I haven't had a conversation with a stranger in a very long time, and it didn't go well. Okay, I tried, but things were coming out of my face and I was nervous and awkward and trying to just no, Cass. So that was bad. And then today it was the weirdest yet because I downloaded TikTok. I miss my kids so much, and I'm really bored, and I literally have nothing to watch. We don't have cable, it's just Netflix, and I've watched everything on Netflix, and I don't want to go outside because everything's such a far walk, and I'm very lazy. So I'm watching TikTok for literally, it's been 8 hours straight that I'm just crushing TikTok, and don't do it because A, it's addicting. B, it's making me practice TikTok dances in the bathroom. C, I've realized that a side part and skinny jeans are very uncool, and that's my two favorite things. And also, it kind of has me questioning my sexuality. I mean, not really, but kind of, but not really, but kind of. It's all very confusing, and I'm gonna be a different person if I spend too much time alone in New York in this apartment. Just counting down the days till my family gets here. It's getting weird up in here. I'll see you guys soon.